Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 6.8-liter Godzilla V8 engine is a relatively new addition to Ford's heavy-duty gasoline engine lineup, specifically designed for demanding truck applications. It's a smaller displacement variant of the highly acclaimed 7.3-liter Godzilla V8. History and versions. The Godzilla engine family was first introduced in 2019, with the 7.3-liter V8 debuting in the 2020 Ford Super Duty trucks. It was designed as a replacement for the outgoing 6.8-liter modular V10 and, in some applications, the 6.2L Boss V8. The goal was to provide a powerful, durable, and less complex gasoline alternative to diesel engines for heavy-duty work. The 6.8-liter Godzilla V8 specifically was introduced in the revamped 2023 Ford Super Duty lineup. It serves as a replacement for the 6.2L SOHC Boss V8, primarily offered in the F250 and F350 pickups in XL and XLT trims. For 2024, the 6.8-liter variant also gained flex fuel capability. Key applications. 2023 present Ford F250 Super Duty XL, XLT trims. 2023 present Ford F350 Super Duty XL, XLT trims. Design and specifications. The 6.8-liter Godzilla is a naturally aspirated 90-degree V8 engine with a pushrod overhead valve (OHV) design, featuring 2 valves per cylinder. It boasts a cast-iron block for robust durability and aluminum cylinder heads. Its design prioritizes low-end torque and reliability for heavy work. General specifications for the 6.8-liter variant. Displacement: 6.8 liters, 415 cubic inches. Configuration: naturally aspirated 90 degrees V8. Cylinder block material: cast iron. Cylinder head material: aluminum. Valve train: OHV, pushrod, 2 valves per cylinder, with roller valve actuation. Camshaft drive, silent chain. Bore: 4.22 inches, 107.2 millimeters. Stroke: 3.68 inches, 93.5 millimeters. Compression ratio: 10.8 to 1. Max power: approximately 405 horsepower at 5,000 RPM. Max torque: approximately 445 lb-ft at 4,000 RPM. Fuel requirement: 87-octane regular unleaded, flex fuel, E85 capable on 2024 plus XL configurations. Oil capacity: 6.0 quarts, 5.7 liters. With oil filter, refer to owner's manual for precise capacity for your model year. Transmission pairing: typically mated with Ford's torque shift G10-speed automatic transmission. Review and opinions. The 6.8-liter Godzilla, like its 7.3-liter sibling, is praised for its simplicity, durability, and strong low-end torque. It's seen as an excellent choice for those who need significant hauling and towing capability without the added complexity and cost of a diesel engine. Owners appreciate its ability to perform under heavy loads and its less frequent maintenance needs compared to diesels, e.g., no DEF. While it's the smaller of the 2 Godzilla engines, reviews indicate it still provides ample power for most Super Duty applications, particularly in the XL and XLT trims where it's typically offered. It's considered a reliable workhorse. Advantages: robust and durable design. Cast iron block and a relatively simple pushrod OHV architecture contribute to its long-term reliability and robustness. Strong low-end torque, excellent for towing and hauling, providing confident acceleration with heavy loads. Lower initial cost and maintenance. Compared to diesel, generally less expensive to purchase and maintain than diesel alternatives, avoiding the complexity and costs associated with diesel emission systems, DEF, DPF. Reliability. Being a newer engine, long-term data is still accumulating, but early indications and its design principles suggest good reliability, mirroring the 7.3-liter. Flex fuel capability. 2024 Plus XL trims offers the option to run on E85, which can be a cost saving for some users. Disadvantages: fuel consumption. As a large displacement gasoline V8, fuel economy is not its strong suit. It will consume more fuel than a diesel engine, especially under heavy loads. Power output compared to 7.3-liter Godzilla or diesels, while strong, it doesn't match the peak horsepower and torque figures of the larger 7.3-liter Godzilla or the immense torque of the 6.7L Powerstroke diesel. Weight. Due to its cast-iron block, it contributes to the overall weight of the front end of the truck. Faults and breakdowns. Being a relatively new engine, extensive long-term data on specific widespread faults for the 6.8-liter is still limited. However, based on the larger 7.3-liter Godzilla, which shares much of its design, some potential areas to watch for could include lifter issues and valve train noise. Some early reports on the 7.3-liter mentioned occasional valve train noise or lifter tick, which some attribute to the variable oil pump's low idle pressure. It's not a widespread recall issue, but something to be aware of. Exhaust manifold cracks. A common issue across many heavy-duty engines, though not specific to Godzilla, can lead to ticking noises. Spark plug and coil issues. With modern ignition systems, individual coil or spark plug failures can occur, leading to misfires. Transmission harsh shifting and hesitation. While an engine issue, some owners of Godzilla-equipped trucks have reported transmission concerns, 10 or 140 torque shift, though this is often related to transmission programming or specific sensor issues rather than the engine itself. It's important to note that these are relatively minor or less common issues compared to the overall robust reputation of the Godzilla family. Many owners report trouble-free operation over tens of thousands of miles. Fuel consumption. Fuel economy is a trade-off for the power and simplicity of the 6.8-liter Godzilla. Unloaded. Real-world reports for the 6.8-liter are still emerging, but similar to the 7.3-liter, expect combined MPG figures in a range of 10 to 15 miles per gallon. Highway cruising at steady speeds might see slightly better numbers, potentially up to 16 to 17 miles per gallon. Towing. When towing heavy loads, fuel economy will drop significantly, likely into the single digits, 6 to 9 miles per gallon, similar to other large gasoline V8s in heavy-duty applications. Timing. The 6.8-liter Godzilla engine, like the 7.3-liter, uses a silent timing chain system. Timing chains are designed for the life of the engine and generally do not require regular replacement like timing belts. This contributes to lower long-term maintenance costs and increased reliability. Oil type and change interval. Oil type. Ford generally recommends Motorcraft SAE 5W 30 Premium Synthetic Blend Motor Oil, meeting Ford specification WSS M2C946A. For newer models, some documentation may specify WSS M2C946B1. Always confirm the exact specification in your vehicle's owner's manual. Oil capacity. The 6.8-liter Godzilla engine has an oil capacity of 6.0 quarts, 5.7 liters, with an oil filter change. Change interval. The 6.8-liter Godzilla engine, like the 7.3-liter, is equipped with an intelligent oil life monitor system. This system dynamically assesses driving conditions and engine operation to determine the optimal oil change interval, which can range from 5,000 miles up to 10,000 miles or 6 to 12 months, whichever comes first. For demanding conditions like heavy towing, frequent short trips, or extreme temperatures, the system will recommend more frequent changes. Always follow the indications of the Intelligent Oil Life Monitor and consult your owner's manual for specific guidelines. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.